out for this music, make sacrifice. Up in the booth, it's my new grind. Once I cop up potatoes, my new shine. I used to roll it like I froze time. Said I got a girl, but she don't mind. I've been up all night, the money never sleep. If you bite the hand that feeds you, then you'll never eat. Gotta pray for I step on this life for death on these streets. Making moves on the hush, so understand I keep it deep. Can't tell if niggas are with me or if they finna leech. Promise if you reach, I lay your body down, leave you deceased. Niggas capping, they never practice what they preach. I could care less about the fame, cause I got family to feed. Mom so cold, don't show love. I work in ambition, there's no love. Permanent scars can be sold up. Fast money, but she slow for. Yeah, life is like the sub is cold. So what's the whole up? Going through this bullshit, I'm like, there how I roll up and now I'm getting paid. From all the pain I pour on the page. They say when you getting money that you bound to change. Ain't gon' lie, never met no one make me feel this way. I hate them niggas who only ride if you feel a tank. I know that pressure make comments, so we don't shine the same. If you ain't been through this storm, I'ma make you feel the rain. Got loyalty in my veins, ain't got no blessing me. I'm manifesting my dreams, my love keep blessing me. I got it sauce, so they wanna know about the recipe. If a nigga fuck with me, it's gon' be rest in peace. I'm feeling lost in my mind like God done taught the keys. Rather be rich in my soul than have my house be sleep. When you pour, you grind for more, or just complain.